Welcome back to the Niche Vault, and today we're diving into the future of making bank AI avatars. You know, those digital versions of ourselves that can talk, interact, and even sell stuff online. And trust me, this isn't some sci-fi movie, this is real life, and it's about to get wild. We're talking about a world where businesses are using AI avatars to rake in profits like never before. Think about it, AI working 24/7, handling customer questions, creating content, and basically becoming the ultimate side hustle. So, if you're ready to unlock some serious wealth and learn how to ride this AI wave all the way to the bank, then buckle up because things are about to get crazy. First up, let's talk about customer service. It's the backbone of any successful business, ensuring that customers feel valued and heard. But traditional customer service methods can be incredibly time-consuming and costly. We've all been there, stuck on hold, waiting for someone to answer our burning questions. The frustration builds, and it feels like an eternity before we get the help we need. Well, those days are over, my friends. Imagine a world where your customers never have to wait, where their issues are resolved instantly, and where your team can focus on what they do best. With AI avatars, businesses can provide 24/7 support, answering questions, resolving issues, and keeping customers happy, all without lifting a finger. These digital assistants are always on, always ready to help. Imagine an army of AI clones handling thousands of customer interactions simultaneously, freeing up your time and resources to focus on growing your business. No more bottlenecks, no more delays. These AI avatars are like the ultimate employees. They never sleep, they never complain, and they can handle even the most demanding customers with a smile. They are efficient, reliable, and always available. Plus, they can be customized to match your brand's personality and voice, creating a seamless and engaging experience for every customer. Whether your brand is fun and quirky or professional and serious, your AI avatar can reflect that. Think about it. No more hiring and training customer service reps. No more dealing with the constant turnover and the associated costs. No more dealing with employee drama. No more sick days or vacation requests disrupting your workflow. Just pure, unadulterated profit flowing in 24/7. Your business can operate at peak efficiency, maximizing revenue and minimizing costs. That's the power of AI avatars, people. They are revolutionizing the way we do business, making it possible to achieve levels of efficiency and customer satisfaction that were previously unimaginable. Next up, let's talk about the world of social media, where attention equals money, and nobody does attention grabbing quite like AI avatars. These digital influencers are taking the internet by storm, amassing huge followings and promoting brands with superhuman efficiency. Imagine having an AI avatar that looks like a celebrity, a thought leader, or even just a really cool animated character, constantly engaging with your audience, creating viral content, and building a loyal following that hangs on their every word. And the best part, these AI influencers never get tired, they never have a bad hair day, and they're always on message, promoting your brand 24/7 to a global audience. We're talking about a whole new level of marketing here, folks. No more dealing with diva influencers, no more worrying about PR nightmares, just pure data-driven marketing that converts followers into customers like a well-oiled machine. AI education. The future of learning is here. Now let's get serious for a minute and talk about the power of AI avatars in education. These digital entities are not just a futuristic concept, they are becoming a reality, transforming the way we approach teaching and learning. Imagine a classroom where AI avatars assist teachers by handling routine tasks, allowing educators to focus on more complex and creative aspects of teaching. Imagine a world where every student has access to a personalized AI tutor, available 24/7 to answer questions, provide feedback, and guide them through even the most challenging subjects. These AI tutors can adapt to each student's learning style, pace, and preferences, making education more personalized than ever before. With AI avatars, learning becomes more engaging, more effective, and more accessible than ever before. These digital assistants can provide interactive lessons, gamified learning experiences, and real-time assessments, ensuring that students remain motivated and on track. Students can learn at their own pace, in their own time, and in a way that best suits their individual learning styles. Whether it's early in the morning or late at night, AI tutors are always available, breaking down the barriers of traditional classroom schedules. And it's not just about traditional subjects either. The curriculum can be expanded to include a wide range of topics that are often overlooked in conventional education systems. AI avatars can teach anything from coding to cooking, providing hands-on learning experiences that are both practical and enjoyable. From foreign languages to financial literacy, these digital tutors can cover a vast array of subjects, equipping students with the skills they need for the future, opening up a world of possibilities for learners of all ages. Whether you're a young student just starting out or an adult looking to acquire new skills, AI avatars make lifelong learning a reality. This is the future of education, people, and it's powered by AI avatars. These advancements are not just enhancing the learning experience, but are also making education more inclusive and equitable. So, whether you're a student looking to get ahead or an entrepreneur looking to disrupt the education industry, the time to act is now. Embrace the future of learning and be a part of this revolutionary change. Virtual events, the future of connection is now. All right, let's talk about events, because who doesn't love a good party, right? Events have always been a cornerstone of human interaction, a place where ideas are exchanged, connections are made, and memories are created. From grand corporate conferences to intimate networking gatherings, events have the power to bring people together in meaningful ways. But what if I told you that the future of events is virtual and that AI avatars are the key to unlocking their full potential? Yes, you heard that right. The landscape of events is undergoing a revolutionary transformation, driven by advancements in virtual reality and artificial intelligence. These technologies are not just enhancing the way we experience events, they are redefining the very essence of what an event can be. Imagine attending a virtual conference, a product launch, or even a music festival, all from the comfort of your own home, interacting with other attendees and experiencing everything in stunning 3D. No longer do you need to worry about travel logistics, accommodation costs, or even what to wear. Just put on your VR headset, and you're instantly transported to a dynamic, immersive environment where the possibilities are endless. With AI avatars, virtual events become more immersive, more engaging, and more accessible than ever before. These avatars can mimic human gestures, expressions, and even emotions, making interactions feel incredibly lifelike. Whether you're shaking hands with a business partner or dancing at a virtual concert, the experience is designed to be as real as possible. Attendees can interact with each other, network with industry leaders, and experience the event as if they were actually there, all without the hassle and expense of travel. This opens up a world of opportunities for people who might not have been able to attend otherwise, making events more inclusive and diverse. And for businesses, virtual events powered by AI avatars offer a whole new level of reach and engagement. Companies can host global conferences, product launches, and training sessions that are not limited by geographical boundaries. This means reaching a wider audience, gathering more data, and ultimately achieving greater impact. Imagine hosting a product launch that reaches millions of people around the world simultaneously, all interacting with your brand and your products in a virtual environment that feels incredibly real. The future of connection is not just about being online, it's about creating experiences that are as engaging and impactful as their real-world counterparts. Welcome to the future of events. Personalized shopping, the AI-powered retail revolution. Finally, let's talk about the future of shopping, because who doesn't love a little retail therapy, right? But what if I told you that the future of shopping is personalized, powered by AI avatars that know your taste better than you know yourself? Imagine walking into a virtual store, greeted by an AI avatar that knows your style, your budget, and your shopping history. This AI assistant can guide you through the store, recommend products you'll love, and even help you put together the perfect outfit. No more aimlessly browsing through racks of clothes, no more pushy salespeople, just a seamless and personalized shopping experience that caters to your every need. And for businesses, AI-powered shopping assistants are a game changer. They can provide personalized recommendations, answer customer questions, and even process transactions, all while collecting valuable data on customer preferences and behavior. The future is now. Join the AI avatar revolution. So there you have it, guys. We've just scratched the surface of what's possible with AI avatars, and trust me, this is just the beginning. From customer service to social media, from education to retail, AI avatars are poised to revolutionize the way we live, work, and interact with the world around us. So, what are you waiting for? The future is here, and it's powered by AI. Start exploring these ideas, get creative, and see how you can use AI avatars to unlock your own path to success. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more awesome content on the future of business and technology. Until next time, stay hungry, stay curious, and keep growing.